I got the whiff box in the mail today, and so I wanted to go through and show you guys what's in it. If you see any wet spots, I just got done doing dishes, and yes, I'm still in my PJs because I don't have to change today, so I'm not going to. But, so this is the whiff box. I'm sure y'all know, but for a quick refresher, it's a monthly mystery box that Scentsy makes, and it always has more value than what you pay. So, it's $35 a month if you want it. You can stop and start whenever you want. You can put it on your subscription, or you can just add it to any order you're doing on my regular website. But you don't know until somebody posts a spoiler what's coming in it each month. And so this month is all summery things inspired. So let's get into it right now. So you see one scent circle, hand soap, a small container of washer whiffs, a sample, and 3 wax bars. So let me get it in closer so you can see. I bet this is reversed, but this is the little insert whiff box, and it says it's a good day for a good day. And then on the back it's got, there's a sneak peek in your May whiff box. This month discover fragrances from the upcoming Sunshine State of Mind collection and other irresistible products focused on creating positive vibes. That's cute. With scents like these at hand, a good day is just a whiff and a smile away. That's so cute. And then it says share your unboxing moment with hashtag Scentsy Whiff Box, and then at Scentsy to tag them. And then it's got some instructions here on what to do with this wax cup. So the free sample is the June scent of the month. I've already opened it because I'm a cheater. I smelled this before I got on video. There's a little piece of wax that came out. Hang on just a second. Let me clean that up. This wax is precious. We love our wax. Okay, so this is Pacific Mist. I don't know if that'll focus, but Pacific, like the West Coast, right? Or is it the East Coast? I don't know. I'm not good at geography. But anyway, this is very oceanic. I don't know the scent notes right now, but I'm sure I'll post a picture in a couple days as we get closer to June. What is the top, mid, and base notes of this scent. But it's like so summery. It smells like you're, you know, like really early out on the beach and smelling the waves. It's not very salty, but it's very oceanic and like watery. So I think that I'm gonna have to warm this in my bedroom because I know it's the type of scent that the rest of them are not gonna like. So this is like a little treat for me in my bedroom. So that's the sample you get for free in this month's box. And then let's go to the washer whiffs. So these are washer whiffs in Fiji Flower. I think I've smelled this before, but not in washer whiffs. Ooh, it's kind of fruity. I like fruity things. Okay. Oop, I spilled a little. It's fine. I cleaned it up. Okay, so they're like this grainy texture, right? They're basically salt. So the ingredients are basically just sodium chloride, salt, microcrystalline cellulose, and then fragrance. So they completely dissolve in your water when you're washing your clothes. They're not going to leave behind a film or a waxy coating on your clothes that are going to break down the fibers of your clothes over time. So these completely break down in the water, and they just leave that scent behind on your clothes. And the washer whiffs, I think, are the best bang for your buck because you can scoop however much you want and control the fragrance if you want something lighter or heavier. But ideally, you would end up getting the Scentsy laundry detergent and the dryer discs. Now the dryer discs, honestly, they don't perform for me that well, so we don't use them as much anymore. I mean, they're nice to have and they're nice to try out a scent, but the washer whiffs are really where it's at. And then the close second for me would be that detergent because it's a concentrated detergent. So I haven't bought laundry detergent from Scentsy or any other company since, sorry if I sound nasally, probably since like September of last year. And it's May and we still have so much because you only use a couple pumps at a time. So that's exciting, and I think the detergent will come out on June 1st with the full size of this. Maybe it'll just be in this size, but June 1st for the scent, or unless you get the whiff box. And then we've got a scent circle in Lake My Day. I think this will be really nice. I smelled it in wax, and it was like very potent and strong. It gave me a little bit of a headache, but I think that this will be good in the car because it won't be a place I'm in all the time. But anyways, okay, let me jump to the hand soap, and then we'll do the last 3 wax bars. So again, this is already available. You can get this now, but this hand soap is coming out on June 1st. Pineapple Dragonfruit. And if you know me, I love pineapple. Love, love, love pineapple. If you watch this later on, make sure to give me like a hashtag replay or something. Tell me that you saw it. Oh my goodness. Hello, hello. I'm just unboxing the whiff box to show you guys what's in it. So this is the Pineapple Dragonfruit hand soap. Let me smell. And then you can always make this into foaming. Ooh. It's not so like super sweet, like a candied pineapple. It's very fresh and tangy in a way. So I think that's going to make a really good foaming hand soap. So over here I'm just going to set them with the washer whiffs. And then we've got 3 wax bars. So first let's start with Tangerine Sugarcane. Oh, I know Garrett's going to like this. Garrett's my youngest brother, and he loves everything citrus and sugar. That's really good. That smells so nice. Almost like you're drinking like a cocktail on the beach. Or like a screwdriver. Kind of. Okay, and then Pineapple Dragonfruit also comes in wax. Ooh, that's so good. This is so tart and tangy and sweet and fruity. I like that a lot. Okay, that's number 2. And the last item is, what's this one called? Ocean Air and Coconut Water wax bar. It's a really pretty blue color. Okay, I like that. If you've ever smelled coconut cotton, you might like this one. It's kind of giving me the same vibe. That's good. That'll be a good like full house scent. It's a little, so these kind of remind me of each other, the Pacific Mist and the Ocean Air and Coconut Water, but this one gives more like coconut suntan lotion vibes a little bit, and the Pacific Mist smells like a little bit more floral. So that's what came in this. It was such a good deal. So 3 bars would be $17 if you did the bundle, and then this is $9 for the hand soap, and then $12 for the washer whiffs, $3 for the scent circle, and then the free sample. But I only paid $35. So that's what came in this whiff box, and it's so nice. If you want one, let me know. Okay, bye.